Now, this is how you can upload a picture to your Microsoft Teams chat or, the meeting. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, once you are inside of the meeting, there are more ways how you can share stuff from your iPad. Like at first, you can tap on the rectangle arrow button, which is for the sharing options below in the toolbar here. And the point is that this asks you if you want to share photo, video, or screen. So you can tap on the share photo, and this literally just opens up the camera as such. It also wants to access your library, so you can upload the pictures right here, and you can basically just import it to this stuff, and that's how you can share a photo for everyone to be able to see it, and that's how you can make it work. So then you can always just click on a stop sharing, and then it returns back to the normal situation. So that would be one way to do that, but you can as well just open up the chat by clicking the text bubble right here, and into the chat you can type something in, whatever, but you can also click on the plus button, tap on media, where you can basically just select stuff from your gallery or photo library. So you can literally open up your photos as such and import something, not for everyone to see on the main page for presenting purposes, but you only share it as a photo, or you upload a picture for the chat conversations only. So that is a little bit of a different purpose, but that's as well sharing or uploading picture to the Teams meeting. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.